Okay, today I'm going to be making some more of those cake mix cookies, and I'm going to be using a butter pecan cake mix with the pecans. Oh yeah. I'm going to put the cake mix in. Okay, now to the cake mix, I'm going to add, just like the chocolate flavored ones, I'm going to add the other half a bag of the white morsels. But I'm going to use a cup of pecans this time instead of a half a cup. And stir that up together. And I left them a little bit more, they're not chopped as much, just okay, and I've got my 2 eggs. Lightly beat them. And my vanilla. Okay, and then I've got my melted butter. Just mix them up really well. See, that don't take no time at all. So quick. They smell so good. And look at that. That looks so pretty. Looks yummy. Okay, let me get my pan ready. I'm going to use my ice cream scooper again on these. These smell so wonderful. Which I love. I'm a big fan of butter pecan ice cream. Okay, now I'm going to place them in the oven at 350 for probably about 12 or 13 minutes. Okay, it ended up being 15 minutes. Look how good they look. Boy, they smell good. Okay, here's the cake mix butter pecan cookies. They look really good. I'm gonna try a bite. Oh my goodness, they taste just like butter pecan ice cream. Oh my goodness, that is delicious. Just goes to show you, you can use any kind of flavor cake mix, and whatever kind of add-ins you want. You can make all different kinds of cookies. I think this is my favorite. Hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you. Give these a try.